Subscribe to the Sandeep tutorial channel and hit the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Sandeep tutorial. Hello friends, my name is Sandeep. I welcome you very much. Sandeep tutorial has brought amazing video in this episode. Let's start. Upcoming number 1, Samsung Galaxy A31, Android V10, 4GB RAM, MediaTek Hello P65, display 6.4 inches, screen AMOLED, fingerprint sensor, front camera 20 megapixel, 4 rear camera 48 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel, 64GB internal storage, dual SD calls, 5000 mAh battery, fast charger, network 4G. Expected price 14,990 rupees. Expected launch date 4 June 2020. Upcoming number 2, Oppo Reno 4, Android V10, 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 765G, display 6.47 inches, screen AMOLED, fingerprint sensor, 4 rear camera 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus megapixels, front camera 32 plus 2 megapixel, 128GB internal storage, dual SD calls, 4000 mAh battery, OAK charger 4.0, network 5G. Expected price 39,990 rupees. Expected launch date 5 June 2020. Upcoming number 3, Redmi K30 Pro, Android 10, 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 865, display 6.67 inches, screen AMOLED, fingerprint sensor, 4 rear camera, 2 front camera, 64 plus 13 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel 4 rear camera, front camera 20 plus 2 megapixels, 128GB internal storage, dual SD calls, 5000 mAh battery, fast charger, network 5G. Expected price 31,990 rupees. Expected launch date 11 June 2020. Upcoming number 4, Vivo V19 Pro, Android V10, 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 730G, display 6.5 inches, screen AMOLED, fingerprint sensor, 4 rear camera 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, front camera 30 plus 2 8 megapixels, 128GB internal storage, dual SD calls, 4500 mAh battery, fast charger, network 4G. Expected price 34,990 rupees. Expected launch date 16 June 2020. Oppo Find X2, Android V10Q, 12GB RAM, Snapdragon 865, display 6.7 inches, screen OLED, fingerprint sensor, 3 rear camera 48 plus 12 plus 13 megapixel, front camera 32 megapixel, 256GB internal storage, dual SD call, 4200 mAh battery, network 5G. Expected price 58,590 rupees. 3 colors are available. Expected launch date 30 June 2020. upcoming number 1, upcoming number 2, upcoming number 3, upcoming number 4, upcoming number 5. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share.